20,000 passengers from the region have returned to India. As far as UAE is concerned, as per information put out by the UAE authorities, there is a gradual resumption of operations from Dubai International Airport that were temporarily suspended today morning from passenger safety perspective. Indian and UAE carriers also continue to operate limited flights from other airports like Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah in UAE based on operational and safety considerations. As per available information, more than 45 flights are planned for various destinations in India today. All passengers can check revised and updated flight schedules directly with respected airlines. In case of any assistance, they can also approach our mission in Abu Dhabi and our consulate in Dubai through the 24/7 helplines. In Saudi Arabia, flights are operating from various airports to destinations in India. Flights are also operating from Oman to various destinations in India. Qatar airspace is partially open, with Qatar Airways operating flights to India. Today and tomorrow, 3 flights are expected to operate to different destinations in India. Kuwait airspace has been closed since 28 February 2026. Special non-scheduled commercial flights by Jazeera Airways of Kuwait are expected to operate soon to India from the Al Qaisuma International Airport in Saudi Arabia. For Indian nationals in Bahrain and Iraq, where airspace is closed, transit through Saudi Arabia is being facilitated. An update on the incident in Oman. On March 13th, in an attack in Sohar city in Oman, unfortunately, 2 Indian nationals had lost their lives. The Embassy of India in Muscat is in constant touch with the families of the deceased Indian nationals and is coordinating with concerned Omani authorities. Their mortal remains are expected to be repatriated to India soon. The embassy also remains in close touch with the hospital authorities and the company to monitor the condition of the injured Indian nationals. None of the Indian nationals are seriously injured. On the incident in which Safe Sea Vishnu was impacted off the coast of Iraq, our mission team has been on ground in Basra to assist for the early return of the 15 Indian crew members of Safe Sea Vishnu who were safely evacuated and are currently residing in a hotel in Basra. They are also coordinating with the concerned Iraqi authorities for early return of the rescued Indian crew members and for early repatriation of the mortal remains of the Indian national who unfortunately